Dosa is a staple breakfast in our household. Today, I'm going to show you how to make set dosas in a jiffy. Let's get started. To begin, I'm taking 1 cup of thin poha, 1 cup semolina or rava, and 1 cup curd. Mix it well. Once everything is properly mixed, I'm adding 1/3 cup of water. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. After it rests, I'm adding this mixture to the mixie jar along with 1 cup of water. Now let's grind it into a paste. Make sure you have the right consistency of the batter because it plays an important role in the frying process. Now in this batter goes half teaspoon of salt. Let's mix this. Time to add half a teaspoon of Eno and 2 tablespoons of water to activate it. Mix it one last time and our batter is ready. Let's start making the dosas. For that, I'm taking a pan, pour some oil and wipe it with a cloth or a tissue. Now it's time to add some batter to the pan. Don't spread the batter across the tawa. One important thing to remember is that set dosas are usually not flipped. Rather, once you see these air bubbles forming, cover it and cook it for a minute. This is done. Let's take it out. Time to make some more dosas. Set dosa or sponge dosa is supposed to be soft and spongy. However, if you like your dosas a little crispier, you can cook them without the lid on both the sides like a normal dosa. Soft and spongy set dosas are ready. Serve them with coconut chutney and sambar and enjoy. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.